Communications on responses to a pandemic is in review this week with SPC consultant on ways Niue can improve or enhance its performances when a pandemic affects the island. According to SPC officer Robin Drysdale, it is important to review the impact of how each country responds to such events, and relaying and translating correct information is crucial to the efficient and accurate dissemination of information to the public.
My purpose this time is to assist Niue with the pandemic preparedness, so looking at, for example, the H1N1 pandemic that we had last year. So trying to be prepared for other pandemics, and particularly looking at risk communication and how to communicate with the public effectively and quickly around risk and prevention of pandemics.
Well, obviously we go back to having a look at the H1N1 and the particular time when that happened. What are some of the feedback from the Niue Health Department in regards to their dissemination of information?
Well, from the feedback we've had so far, they had good output of information out to the community, but there was a feeling that it was a lot of work to do in a very short time, which is always the case for pandemics. So what we're trying to do this week is put together a plan of communication right down to community level, to all the villages, where we can mobilise people to assist with getting that communication through and getting it through quickly, so we can try and minimise the impact of a pandemic, reduce the risk of transmission, and also to reduce any disruption in terms of people being worried or scared or any panic or anything, but also ensure that people aren't rushing up to the hospital when they don't need to, that they're staying at home and can be cared for effectively at home. Firstly, number one in Niuean, and also in English, because you have other people living on the island who don't speak Niuean and other cultures who live here. But it is critical that it be bilingual, if you will, that the information is getting through to the community level in local language. That's very important.
Niue public health officers and stakeholders started the consultations on development and enhancing the existing pandemic plan that will benefit the island and outside sources of information. The review team is expected to reach an outcome by the end of this week.